Alright, today I'm going to show you how to mend a garden hose. I think I'm the best person to ask since I've never done this before. I have absolutely no idea. I looked at a YouTube video, I saw this nice device from Gilmore. It's called a garden hose mender. Supposedly it takes 15 seconds. Well, it took me about 30 seconds. So, there's a picture of it. So that was the hole. This is what I got from Lowe's. They say it takes 15 seconds. Let's see if it does to repair. Okay, so first I've got a cut. Where's the normal part? I guess I'll cut it around here. My garden shears. So I cut out the offending part. Unscrew this, guess. Oops, this goes in first. Okay, so put these ones over, slide this in, and slide this one in, and now this screw it tight. Alright, and that's what it looks like. Now I just have to test whether it's leak proof. Okay, turn on the water. And it's on. Well, seems to be going. Sprinkler is working. $6 later, my nice 100-foot hose is working again.